Hey guys, what's up? So last year during the launch of the Galaxy S20 Fe, Samsung had announced that they will launch fan editions of their flagship devices in the years to come, and it seems like they will keep their promise as we have the very first look of the Galaxy S21 Fe. The leak comes from OnLeaks, who is one of the most reliable leaker in the industry and consistently gives out the first look at unreleased smartphones pretty much before anyone else. Coming to the phone, so at first glance the phone looks almost like the Galaxy S21 with a similar front and back design. The front has a flat display with a centered punch hole just like the Galaxy S21, while the back has the same number of cameras like the S21, but the design is a bit different. Unlike the S21, where the camera housing is an extension of the middle frame, the Galaxy S21 Fe's housing is not connected with the frame, but mimics the design with just the back panel, and the frame is completely detached from it. The back panel will be made out of plastic, which is almost confirmed as even the S21 has a plastic or glasstic back panel. Just like the S20 Fe, the frame of the phone will be made out of metal, as we can clearly see some antenna bands around the device. As for the specs, OnLeaks says that the phone will have a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, which is bigger than the S21's 6.2-inch display, and that's basically because the phone is a bit wider and taller. The phone will have most of the specs similar to the S21, and it will be interesting to see as to what omissions will Samsung make to make it even more affordable, provided the S21 was already launched at a relatively affordable $800 price. Moving on, so a new leak hints that Samsung will price the Galaxy M42 5G between the 20 to 25,000 price range, which is where the competition is the toughest with devices like the OnePlus Nord. Even Samsung has a lot of devices in this price range, including the Galaxy M51 and the recently announced Galaxy S62. So this phone seems to cater to those who need a 5G ready device. The phone will be similar to the Galaxy A42 5G sold in Europe, albeit with some improvements. It will get a similar 6.6-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display and feature a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750 5G chipset. Other notable features include a 64-megapixel primary camera, a 32-megapixel selfie camera, 6000 mAh battery, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and 15 watts of fast charging support along with One UI 3.1. The cherry on the cake can be a high refresh rate display similar to what they did with the M12. Samsung has started teasing the device, and they have also given out the launch date, which will take place on the 28th of April at 12 PM. Seems like this one will be an Amazon exclusive as well. So that's it for this video. Do let me know your opinions on the S21 Fe and the M42 5G, which will go on sale pretty soon, in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech videos and smash the like button if you like this one. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.